obviously we're in Australia and we have a lot of critical minerals. So for us, the question is, how do we make the best use of this boom? And that's a very different question. I think a lot of the policy settings are really about capturing the benefits. And Australia has a very long history of mining. Critical minerals miners are not your big traditional miners that you will automatically think of, your BHPs and your Rio Tintos. A lot of different mining processes depending on the specific critical mineral means you've got a very different landscape. And this means that there are different companies that are in those markets that are trying to make a go of it. So in terms of education, we do need a lot, I think, on two fronts. One is skilled workforce, and this is shortages we're seeing across the United Kingdom, across Canada, across the United States. We are in no way special in having a massive shortage of workers in this area. But the second one is also these technological advances that do require a lot of time and investment in order to improve the circularity, the recyclability, innovative ways to reduce the environmental and social impacts. A lot of that comes down to the design of the end product and our fabulous scientists.
Actually, Susan, the point you made about we've got a lot of expertise in bulk commodity mining. We do not have expertise in critical minerals extraction, maybe a little bit, but not processing. Critical minerals and those traditional fossil fuels are very different. There's a lot of chemical processing involved in critical minerals, and we have not had the decades of expertise. And also, and you'll know, being in a university environment, that a lot of the geosciences, engineering, the funding isn't there, the student population isn't there, we just don't have the pipeline. And we've got this famous stat in the critical minerals world for Australia, and I could be getting it wrong, but I'm very close. I'm sure that in, I think it was a couple of years ago, out of this country, this is a mining country with a lot of expertise, we graduated 4 metallurgists out of the whole of Australia 2 years ago. Now that's astounding, and we need hundreds of them for critical minerals processing and development. So we've got a serious workforce issue on our hands.